In darkness I lingered mid doubt and despair, since bondage long held me a captive to care. But Jesus delivered my soul from its chains. His precious blood cleansed me from sin's guilty stains. The world and its pleasures did tempt me to stray. I saw not the danger that lurked on the way. The toils closed around me, I knew no release. But Jesus has found me and given me his peace. Get right with God, his pardon is free. Get right with God, he's waiting for thee. Our Jesus is calling, oh come unto me. Take him, O sinner, and get right with God.
Hello. Just want to give you a brief update on my gardening journey so far. And I'm not an expert, but I am willing to share on the progress that God is graciously is teaching me every day. And then shortly we'll share an object lesson through this. So stay tuned. Alright, so as you can see, from the last video, you saw that the lettuce was starting to be green, but now you see it's starting to show color. The type of lettuce it is, it's starting to shoot, so I transplant into a pot. And also I started the onion process. I'm doing an experiment where one in a jar and the two other onions are in a pot. So notice you must have the roots facing down, immersed in water. Okay, so the two onions are in here. So I'm doing an experiment to see. And here we have the celery starting to shoot, as you can see there. There are some green onions in this pot as well, and some beets starting to sprout some more. It's a process, but it's exciting. We'll keep you posted on its fruition. That's it. So what spiritual lesson can we learn from that? Okay, so in Malachi chapter 4, verse 2, it says, "But unto you that fear my name shall the Son of Righteousness arise with healing in his wings, and ye shall go forth and grow up as calves of the stall." It's really powerful, because we know plants need sun, right? And we know who the Son of Righteousness symbolizes, and that's Jesus. And what's interesting here in this verse, it says, "The Son of Righteousness shall arise with healing in his wings." So we know that when we grow our own food, God's way, it brings healing because we know what's in it. And every plant, every crop needs water and sun. And Jesus said he's the water of life as well. And then if you see here, it says in the latter part of the verse, "and grow up as calves." So when we have proper cultivation of the soil, the sun with water, it will grow and bear fruit. And so may God help us to have the Son of Righteousness in our hearts, and also be quenched with his water of life, because when we have Christ, who is the water of life, we shall never thirst. So happy Sabbath, and God bless you. Bye-bye.
Get right with God, his pardon is free. Get right with God, he's waiting for thee. Our Jesus is calling, oh come unto me. Take him, O sinner.